Hey y'all, this is All of Destiny. So if you're here watching part 3, I'm assuming you've already watched part 1 where I removed my wig, took down my wig braids, and detangled my hair on camera. Also part 2, my wash day routine, also straightening out my natural hair for the first time start to finish. If you missed either of those videos, they are linked in my description box down below, in the cards, and pinned as the top comment down below. Welcome to part 3. I'll be taking you all with me to go and get a professional hair trim. Okay guys, good morning. So it's the next day and I'm getting ready to call Supercuts now. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go regardless, but I want to check and see if filming is okay. I feel kind of dumb asking if a certain person is there, but it's my hair, so.
Hello, thanks for calling Supercuts. Short speaker, how may I help you?
Hi, good morning. I have a question. Does Miss K still work there?
Miss K?
Yes.
Is her name Karen or Kate?
I think it's.
How she look?
She has like a really short haircut.
She was white?
No, she's black.
And she's short?
Yeah, she's sort of short.
A black lady's name Miss K?
Mm-hmm.
No, ma'am. We don't have anybody short named Miss K.
Okay. I wanted to also ask if it was okay for me to record.
I think that'll be fine. Not for sure though. It may not be an issue because people record all the time.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks. Bye. I know that lady name was Miss K. When I used to work at Payless, this girl referred me to go get my hair cut by her, and she did like a really nice job. So now I'm feeling uncomfortable about it just because y'all know how we feel about getting our hair trimmed. Like, I don't know who I'm gonna get. I don't know who to expect. And she said that it would possibly be okay, but not sure. What I'm gonna do, because I want my hair trimmed regardless, I'm gonna go ahead and go. I need to shower up and get dressed first. I'm not doing makeup and all of that because I already got to do it later for Valentine's Day. Plus I'm going alone, so I don't even know like where will I prop the camera up at. We got to figure all of that out, and I don't want to be like, oh wait, hold on, let me check, like, are we in the frame, like all of that annoying stuff. Okay, guess what y'all, I grabbed my second phone that I never turn on that I need to get cut off. It's a waste of a bill. Like, I've had this phone since like probably 2000, a long time. Let me scroll back and see how long I had this phone. Wow, since June 14th 2014 I've had this phone. So I went and searched my co-worker's name when I used to work at Payless. I found the messages because I remember texting and asking her what the lady's name was the day I was gonna go. And I went June the 27th 2014. I will show you all, but this isn't like an iPhone. Her number would be at the top. I said, hey, what's the lady's name at Supercuts, Miss Karen or KK? I forgot. And she said both, LOL. And I said, okay, thanks. Oh my God, I'm nervous. And she said she wanted to see pictures, but Karen, she is really good. And if I'm remembering correctly, she's not black. She is short with a short haircut. So I'm like, I don't want to call back and be that annoying person that's like asking all these questions. I don't want to go in and you kind of rush me and just snip. Like, I need to explain to you my backstory that I've been transitioning. To you all, I guess I should explain it too. I've been transitioning. My last relaxer was in April of 2017. So I'm 1 year and 10 months post relaxer, or to make it easier, April of 2019 will officially be 2 years since I got my last relaxer. The last time I straightened my hair, I'll put it on the screen, or the last time that I straightened it publicly for YouTube, because I can't remember when I do things off camera sometimes. I haven't done a big chop or anything like that. If I was randomly wearing my hair curly, doing a low puff or whatever, I would just kind of take a piece if I saw it looking super curly, and I would snip away at that piece. Maybe I didn't snip over here or over there. This starts to grow out. This might have broke off over here because I didn't trim it. I'm fully natural in the back, so that's a different length. I won't be straightening it again for a while, because once I'm done wearing it like this, I'm going to just go back to it being curly anyway. And I know you can say, well, if it's going to be curly, you may as well just, you know, snip, but no. And be bald, like, no. What Boone said in her video when she was trimming her hair, you be bald. You do that.
That's why I'm gonna cut. I ain't finna go all the way up in. I know your shit cut all over that. Girl, shit, cut all of yours up. And I know, oh, you're trying to save the length. Healthy hair over length. Shut up! If I got 10 inches worth of damage hair, it's gonna stay there.
So that's where I am. If y'all saw my other video of me taking my braids down, these may not be short videos. Yes, I talk a lot, but I mean, that's what YouTube is for. Like, where am I supposed to talk at? And they talk too much. Or just have music playing the whole time, and then you still got a bunch of questions to ask, or you want me to talk while something is going on. The only few people that I would ask to come with me, they're busy, they're doing their own thing, they're at work. One of the perks of being a YouTuber is being able to take advantage of your day and just kind of making it whatever whatever you want to make it. So I don't really want to sit around and wait until someone is off work that can come with me. And I haven't asked them, so what if they get off work and still can't come with me? So I've wasted parts of my day. It's currently just 11 o'clock, so I'm just worried that me going along and I'm like, hey, can I record? And then I prop my camera up somewhere. Like when I'm by myself, if I'm filming for you all, like right now straightening my hair, if I'm not in the frame, I can stop and move the camera, because you know that's what I do. Like I don't mind, I'm not in a rush. But going somewhere, you don't want to be that annoying person that's like, oh hold on, wait, we're not in the front, like trying to get the perfect angle. If I prop my camera up somewhere and they start cutting and I got no footage of it, but the camera was running. Like it's important but not important at the same time. There's two sides to it. I just need my trim, so that's important too. But the other side is I'm a YouTuber that needs to trim. So content, sweetie, content. Like I'm gonna show you all the back before we go in, and I'm also giving you all the backstory on my choppy hair. I don't know what this looks like. So that's that. I know some people are probably gonna say my hair is like the same length it was when I was relaxed. This length that you're seeing right now is all of a natural length. Basically my length natural as of right now is the same length when I was relaxed, if that makes sense. But all of the hair that you're looking at is new hair. This is natural hair now. And who's to say if I had done the big chop sooner or whatever the case may be. Some people feel like my hair might be longer or whatever. Hair grows half an inch a month. So I'm not gonna measure my hair with the ruler. That's doing too much for me. And so for me to be a year and 10 months, for the first year, that's what, 6 inches. Who cares about all of that? I've grown my hair out and this is where we are. We're about to go get it cut. I've been talking for 7 minutes. Okay, I lied. I'm back again. Gotta do my edge. Using my Lovely Bees edge control. This is by Lovely Brianna here on YouTube. I will have a link down below, but I just need to touch them up. I've already done this side. I'm in public. I need them to be neat. We're gonna finish my hair and curl it and all of that once I get it cut. Okay, I keep spraying my hair with oil, but it's like I didn't put anything in it. When y'all like straighten your hair without any product and then it just looks like this, I'm not feeling it. When I curl it, we're gonna put some more oil in my hair. You heard it here first. Yes, we're here. It's right there. I'm so nervous. Oh my god, I drove all the way here, but I'm still nervous. Let me catch the light. Where the light at? I was thinking about me going back and forth, and I know to some people it just probably sounds like, girl, what? I'm not your average YouTuber. Like I go hard for y'all. Like some people, they come back to their cameras and be like, okay, I went and got my hair cut, and they didn't take you with them. They don't care to take. Like I'm bringing you with me. Put some respect on my name. Put some respect on my vlogging game, okay? Like I hope it's not crowded. Here goes nothing. Like, you know how you have to go like curl it and make it look cute and all of that after? And what if I run into somebody? They're gonna be like, excuse me, are you all of the? I'm gonna say, nope, I don't know who that is. Can we take a picture with my hair looking like this? Why is she vlogging me? She just put her camera on me, her cell phone on me. So I put it on you back. Let's go in. Okay, here we go. Vlog life. Hi. Yes. What's your name? Destiny.
I know you from YouTube.
What?
Yes.
Hi. Can I record it here?
She can record y'all put her hair.
Can I record it here?
I don't care.
They said cool, so I gotta hold it down now.
Is it Destiny with 2 E's or
with a Y?
with a Y?
Yeah. So you're the one I spoke to on the phone? Mm-hmm. Oh, and I dug through my other phone right after that, looking through the messages.
Karen.
Yep. After
You called on the phone and you asked that question, your voice, I said, that's the girl from YouTube. Somebody be with you in about 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay, cool. Oh, they play music, so I'm gonna definitely have to mute this.
But I don't want you to put me on there because I don't want no pictures.
Okay, I won't put you on there.
How you feeling?
I just want it like more even in the back. Well, it's not even because I'm transitioning, so I kind of randomly cut pieces. It hasn't been evened out because I wasn't really straightening my hair.
So is there a certain length that you're trying to go for, or are you just trying to make it even?
I guess maybe like 2 inches.
So you really don't have a real short piece back here?
Okay.
Do you want to do layers, or you just doing a blunt cut?
No, not too many layers.
What you did that flat iron?
Yeah, I straightened it out last night.
Only short piece that I kind of see is more towards your front. So you do 2 inches.
2 inches.
Show it to you.
This music is killing me. I can't afford a copyright strike. We're just looking at my hair in the back to decide where we're going to cut, and she's showing me where the shortest length is to give me an even cut all the way around.
This is what I see. That's the shortest right here in the middle. You got damage above that, which is right here. So that's why I said about right here. So that all the way around will get it. But the thing of it is, once you cut this, you need to come back in 4 to 6 weeks just to get another trim because you got a lot of damage going up in it. Yeah, you might have just a little bit more layer in it. That's a good start.
Okay.
Cool. So you can see the back. I don't care however you want to do it.
Okay.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Do you?
I don't do that.
Okay. She's a YouTuber.
also mostly do hair tutorials. And I kind of always include them, so.
Because you got so many followers
Yeah,
there.
it's like, I wanna do something.
Yeah. So your bottom base is a little bit shorter.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna go up above your bottom base where your longer length is at.
The camera kind of got blocked a little bit. This isn't a how to cut your hair tutorial. This is more so just bringing you out to the salon with me. And as I told her, I really didn't want to be that customer that's like, wait, can we get in the frame? Can we do this? Can we do that? Because I do realize that I was there alone. So I did try my best to zoom in so that you all could see. And then I went ahead and pulled out my cell phone just to get some footage when she got closer to the front. But my hair is basically even. She said it's almost even all over throughout the front. Trying to keep your face out of it. I'm sorry.
That's all I'm saying.
Where she's coming closer to the front, she was just showing me where my hair is a little bit shorter at, based on where I wear my part, and also the different random cuts that I was doing while transitioning.
Probably how you wear it with the card on the top. So it even looks healthy.
It does. Thank you so much.
Let me see if you want length already. Just a little back that much. Like I said, about another inch.
Okay.
And then you'll be one length. But it's just mainly at the bottom. There you go, sweater.
Thank you so much. What was your name?
Montrese.
I'm Destiny. I should have said that from the beginning. I'm
That's
sorry.
okay. And look, so simple. I got the same thing. Same thing hanging on my purse. Same identical. Yes, hanging on my purse.
That's so cool.
Thank you so much.
Or the URL and stuff is on the back. I want to do like a real hair series this week, so everything about my real hair just should be up sometime.
Perfect. Circle in my door.
Oh, the camera would go blurry. Oh, it feels so light. Whoops. So 16. Everything else is real. Thank you so much. And thank you for letting me record it.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
Alright, you too.
So the Supercuts that I went to, if you all live in Memphis, one that I went to was in Bartlett, right here in the shopping center where Dollar Tree is. I think I'm finna go in Dollar Tree and Five Below. I don't care. I'll finish my hair later. But that's where I went. Come and check it out. It's X for Montrese when you all come. She did an amazing job on my hair. Hold on, we need a thumbnail, don't we? Thumbnail. Dog, how can I get? I'll just download a Supercuts thumbnail from the internet. She did a really good job. Like, my hair is not like dramatically shorter, but my ends are even. Hopefully you all could hear when she was talking, because I would love to actually keep that. I'm gonna have to chop it up a little bit so I don't get a copyright strike because of the music. But this isn't the finished product. I'm definitely going to curl my hair up and make it look cute. A perfect timing for Valentine's Day, just to do something different, because I've been in wigs so much. She was so nice, and I'm like glad I was able to film. I don't know what the footage looks like as of now. Of course I didn't want to be annoying, like, wait, can you not get in the way of my camera? Like, you here to get your hair cut, girl. Like, that comes second. Where my keys at? I'm finna get in the car and just kind of brush through my hair a little bit, and then we're actually gonna go in Dollar Tree and Five Below. I guess I'll film in there too. I may put all of this together. I don't know yet. Well, they bought a lot of Valentine's Day balloons. That's what I need to do next to finish getting my gifts together. I need a tripod. I need a tripod. We're done. Like, it took no time, y'all. Before I edit the footage, my camera is running right now and it's just on 10 minutes. That was it. Like, a nice quick little trim of my ends. I think we took off like 2 inches. Whatever is relaxed is gonna come off eventually. So maybe when I wash my hair, who knows, I may be fully natural now. But she said my hair for the most part was in really good shape. Hadn't been straightened in a long time. I hope we could hear, y'all could hear what she was saying. I'll play it back and we'll see. If not, I'll put captions on the screen. Let me call and tell Boom. Boom the only one. Well, I told Boom and I told Key that I was about to get my hair cut, and that's really it. Oh, that look good. That looks so good. I should have got me some layers, girl. We should have got some layers. Montrese. My haircut was $16, guys. Also for letting me record, but also she did a really good job and all of that too. So I gave her a tip as well, because she didn't have to do that. Because she could have been like, no, Your camera, your subscribers. Subscribers? Vlog. Let's go in Dollar Tree. This shopping vlog was filmed separately. The video link is in my description box down below. Let's go home and curl my hair so I can get out of public looking ugly. Oh, her hair is pretty. Got like a half foot path down. Her wig is like super long. Or I don't know if it's a wig or not. It's laid. I'm about to run out of space. What? So I curled my hair 2 days later. You should have already seen that video in my Valentine's Day Get Ready With Me. Definitely check out part 1 and part 2 if you missed the straightening process and the styling process, and also how to take down my wig braids. Once I wash my hair, which I haven't decided if I'll do a part 4 or not, but if I do, part 4 will consist of me washing my hair to go back from straight to curly. We'll be able to see on camera together if I'm fully natural. If I'm not fully natural, I definitely don't want to ruin my cut just by snipping away at random ends, whatever may be left over. So the next time I straighten my hair again, maybe the time when I do another trim, because otherwise this cut would have been pointless, if that makes sense. Questions and comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. All relevant videos, anything that's important that I may have missed will be in my description box, so definitely check there first before you leave your comments, and I'll talk to you all in my next upload.